This is LENOVO Tab M7, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So to start, make sure that your tablet is connected to Wi-Fi, then launch the Play Store, sign into your Google account if you haven't already. So that is exactly what I'm going to do now. It's not a difficult or complicated process whatsoever. So start by entering your email address, then follow it. Already I haven't entered the email address correctly, so hold on, let me do that real quick. So follow your login or email by entering the password, and then proceed with the Google sign-in as you would normally do. Once at the Google Play Store, type at the search bar, you will need to type in the Opera query. So let me accept the last Google services until it let me through. So here's the search bar. As I've already mentioned, type in the Opera. Once the requested application has been found, tap at the green install button and wait for it to get downloaded and installed respectively, which does not take a lot of time usually, since Opera is a relatively lightweight app. After the Opera app was finally installed, you can go ahead and open it. In here, while launching Opera for the first time, it is required that you undergo a very simple setup procedure. So in here, the setup comes to the personalization of permissions that you will grant to Opera. So you can customize saved permissions, or simply allow everything that the Opera app asks for, and start using the browser. Alrighty, so that will be it for today. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.